Tired of spending hours transcribing videos by hand? Learn how to convert any video to text automatically with Otter.ai in under 4 minutes. Here's the simple workflow. Import your video file, let Otter process it, and open the finished transcript. I'll guide you through each step. Go to the Otter.ai homepage. Once you're there, click on Import at the top center of the screen. Click Browse Files and select your video. Now you'll need to wait while your video uploads. After the upload completes, wait until the transcription finishes. Finally, click on Go to Transcript to open your transcript. And that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.